Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we'll be unboxing a hard drive dock. This is the PiBox India's HDD dock 1-D6415. Now this is a USB 3.0 hard disk drive docking station as seen over here. It only has a single port. The speed through the interface is 5 gigabits per second. And it accommodates both 2.5-inch and 3.5-inch internal hard disk drives. They've provided a QR code in the top right corner for registering the device for warranty. There's nothing on the left-hand side or the right-hand side. The back has the URL of the company. The front has a little note asking you to open from that side. Before that, let's flip it around and see what's written on the back. We see that the output has a SATA 7-pin plus 15-pin port. So one is for data, one is for power. It supports UASP transport protocol. It supports SATA 3.0, backwards compatible with SATA 2.0 and 1.0. We saw that it supports both 2.5-inch as well as 3.5-inch hard disk drives. Transfer rates can be up to 5 gigabits per second when connected to a USB 3.0 port, and it's backwards compatible with USB 2.0 or 1.1. Obviously, speeds will drop. It supports Windows and Mac OS as well as Linux, and it's powered by a DC adapter for 12 volts, the tolerance of 5% and 2 amperes. The dimension is 153 millimeters by 85 millimeters by 66 millimeters, and the provided cable length is 1 meter long. They provided certain additional notes for safety on the top right, as well as contact information for support and the contact information for the manufacturer. Let's go ahead with the unboxing. So the added power adapter is rated for 12 volts at 2 amperes. And you also have a little power indicator at the bottom. That's always handy. Then you have the data cable, which is a USB 3.0 cable from type B to type A. Then you have some documentation. So first up is the user manual. You should always read through the user manual to understand exactly how to use the device and if at all it has any unique features that you should be aware of. Then you have a little note. This is a troubleshooting guide basically. It gives you a few steps that you should take in order to make the drive visible in your operating system. And lastly, you have the dock. So this is what the dock looks like from the front. You have some branding, an LED indicator. On the bottom, you have cooling vents on all sides. There's nothing on this side, nothing on this side. On the back side, you have an on and off button. It's push to on, push to off. There's a USB 3.0 B receptacle. That's where the data cable's USB type B port goes in. Then you have a socket for your power adapter. It takes in 12 volts DC. On the bottom, you have the model number, which is D6415, along with some additional information. And the top part has your hard drive dock. This is where you would insert your hard drive into, and then you'd power the device on and connect it to your PC. So that's it for the unboxing of the PiBox hard disk drive dock. The model number is D6415. Thank you for watching.